Hello and welcome to Bloke on the Range, and this just appeared from Buddy's bag while we were filming some other stuff, and I said, cool, I've never shot one of them, can I have a go? And he said, of course. So, this is an Arsenal Strike 1, which is not a Browning dropping barrel. Chappie just described it as if Browning and Lahti had a baby, and we'll get it apart in a minute and show you, but without further ado, what I think I'm going to do is put some rounds through it and see what all the fuss is all about. Oh, wanged one down there, but I think the answer is that's what all the fuss is about. Wow, that shoots flat. The recoil is not quite Glock soft given the weight. It sort of recoils up like that, comes back down very quickly. The trigger is quite short, and the reset is very, very nice and short. Yeah, I quite like this. How much did it cost?
You're 35.
Sorry?
You're FM.
No, you can't have my Browning. Not swapping it for my Browning.
Actually, they're not that expensive.
Yeah, I will look what they cost in Switzerland. The one thing I don't like ergonomically, the grip is great. The problem is that my off thumb wants to be there and there's not enough purchase. It's basically, it wants to be in a position where maybe if I had one I could teach myself to stick it in there. Oh, would that work? Tell you what, easiest thing to do is I'll put another 5 through it and see if that works. But yeah, my natural tendency was to just be on those knobbles there. The trick will be to see if I slip off or not. Very low sight line, low bore line. Oh, yes. I could get used to that. That's not as positive as on my Glock, and given that practically everybody shoots like this these days, I think that's possibly a little design flaw. Chappie, do you want to go?
Well, there we go. So it feels lefty.
Ah, yes, good point.
Right. So I've got this ridge here as a sort of guide for me. That is a really, really nice recoil.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Trigger I like as well, nice and fat. And quite as good as you, of course. But yeah, it's a really comfortable gun. Yeah! As I dance across the target. Hence why I'm working on my dry fire.
I think we also need to have a little chat about your stance and grip.
Oh, of course. But yeah, nice.
Okay, let's see if I can get this in one shot. So that comes out. Wait. You've got to hold it at the right place. There we go. And then pull the trigger, and it comes forward and off. And it looks a bit Glock-like, and it looks like a Browning dropping barrel. But actually, it has a locking piece. And the way this works is you've got this locking piece, and then your cam pin, like in a Browning high power, instead of raising the whole barrel up and down, it raises this locking piece up and down instead. So the barrel always stays parallel and doesn't drop down, and then this engages. This locking block engages with recesses here. So if it's down, it can slide like that, and then it goes up, and it can't anymore. Which is really cool. That's a really cool, unusual thing, and I very much appreciate Chappie's thing of Browning and a Lahti had an unholy child.
Well, that's why I got the hump there on the frame.
Yeah.
Very much like at the back of the Lahti, where its stirrup rides up and down in.
So, I hope that was at least vaguely interesting. It was certainly a lot of fun for us. So, thanks very much for watching. Thanks to patrons who support the channel and all the stuff and nonsense we do. And yeah, if you enjoyed, please consider becoming a patron. If not, fine, it's absolutely fine. Just like and subscribe and share stuff on social media. And hopefully we'll keep growing the channel. And see you again sometime. Bye.